Hey friends, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to Pen and Pad, where we learn how to draw all sorts of creatures and animals and movie characters. Today's adventure, we're going to learn how to draw Kissy Missy. So let's jump right in. Grab your piece of paper, your pen, and let's start out with the eyes. We're going to do something a little bit different with the eyes. We're going to do one big and one small. So let's start off with a big one. Just a nice big circle. Awesome. And then another circle that almost fills the whole thing. Perfect. And then a little inner circle. Sweet. Now let's do a smaller one. Probably starting about that size. So we're going to come over here. A little bit smaller. Awesome. And then do another circle to fill it in. Awesome, just like that. Let's just add some eyelashes for fun. 1. How about we add one more? 2. And let's do 2 on this side as well. 1, 2. Cool. Alright, let's get the mouth. We're going to start here at the bottom of the eye. And we're going to kind of do a slight curl up and around. Stop. And connect into the eye. Then from here, we're going to start up a little bit further. Curl around. Stop. Just add a little bit of a point. Sweet. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go onto this side. Curl down and then curl up. And around. Stop. And curl in. Around. Stop. Mostly I like to take these stops just because I feel like if we try to draw straight lines for too long, our hand gets tired or shaky and doesn't want to perform the way we want it to. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just do an outline of the mouth. Just follow it around. Stop. At least stop when you feel like you need a break. There we go. And then for teeth, we're actually going to first just do diagonal line, and then just keep doing diagonal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweet. Okay, let's get her head. So let's do a very wide U. We're going to go nice wide. There we go. And come to a nice point, then come in. Come in. Come out a little bit wider. Connect. Let's do a little bit of a point. What we're going to do is we're going to come all the way down and connect into this lip. Awesome, just like that. Awesome, looking very nice, guys, very nice. Okay, next thing is we're gonna get our body. So what we're gonna do is just do a little bit tough right here. Come down, connect. And right here we're gonna do our little bow. So we're going to do a circle, and then we're going to do a nice big loop, and do an inner loop. Awesome. And then let's do another loop on this side. Inner loop. Looking good. And then let's do a straight line with a little bit of thickness. Another straight line. Little bit of thickness. Sweet. Then for her body, we're gonna do a little bit of line right here through the bow. This way. Curve it down. Stop. We're gonna do a leg. So we're gonna come straight out towards us. Stop. do a little bit of a knee, so we're just gonna do a little bend. And then do another one. And then we're gonna come towards us. Stop, a little outdent at an angle, curve in, curve around, straight up. Awesome. Let's keep going, stop. And we want to do is curve around. A little bit of a knee. These two little jagged parts of the knee. Come around, tuft out. Second tuft out. Now let's come on this inner side and kind of follow it around. Curve in for the knee. Curve a little bit out for the calf. Curve out again. And curve all the way up at an angle. And that's where we're going to add her feet. Awesome, looking good. I know this leg looks a little bit fatter, but hey, we do our best. Okay, and there we go, her body. I'm gonna put her arms behind her. So we're gonna put her body a little bit like this. Stop. Arms gonna come out. Little tuft, stop. Curl around. Curl around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop and curl all the way back in. Okay, and then our other arm is just going to be copying it, so we're just going to do this, tuft and in. And then we're going to follow it on the outside, tuft, tuft. Let's get her hand, curve, stop, curl in, curve. One big finger, stop. One little tiny finger, connect. And then try to copy it on the inside. So we're just gonna do a little circle, stop, drill, bam. There we go. That looks awesome, guys. Let's just add a few details. And then what we'll do is we will color it all in, add a few more details, and then bam! Oh my goodness, did that turn out awesome or what? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. I can't wait to catch you guys in the next video, so I'll see you in the next one.